Hello everyone, welcome to TeamWest channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix iPhone lagging when unlocking it. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and also like the video. Without wasting time, let's start our video. So solution 1 we have is turn off reset finger to open. So to do this, go to settings app. After that, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on home button and here turn off reset finger if it turn on. So solution 2 we have is rise to awake. So first go to settings app. After tap on display and brightness. So now turn on rise to awake. When it's turned on, you just touch the home button to unlock your iPhone, because the screen will be on if the phone is raised from your desk. So after that, solution 3 we have is turn on low power mode. So to do this, go to settings app and now find and tap on battery. So now turn on low power mode. After that, go to settings app and now scroll down and tap on Siri and search. And now turn off listen to Hey Siri. And now turn off passcode. So to do this, go to settings app and here scroll down and tap on touch ID and passcode. And here tap on passcode off. So next it will be prompted to confirm this section. Tap turn off to confirm this process. So the last solution we have is update your iPhone. So make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. To check the update availability, go to settings app. Now find and tap on general and now tap on software update. So if new version or iOS update is available, then tap on download and install. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe TeamWest channel.